Hey Tech Fam! GadInsider here with mind-blowing news. Google's Genie 3 AI can create entire 3D video game worlds from a single text prompt in real time. Let's dive into this gaming revolution. Imagine building a playable world just by typing a description. No coding needed. Genie 3's next level AI is changing the game. Want to see how? Keep watching. Google DeepMind dropped Genie 3 on August 5, 2025, and it's a game changer. This AI world model generates interactive 3D environments at 720p and 24 frames per second, letting you explore them like a video game. No traditional developer tools required. Unlike Genie 2, which crashed after 10 to 20 seconds, Genie 3 keeps worlds consistent for minutes, remembering details like paint on a wall or text on a chalkboard, even if you look away and back. What's wild? Promptable world events lets you type commands like add a dragon or make it rain, and the world shifts instantly. Trained on massive video datasets, it simulates realistic physics like flowing water or falling objects without pre-built 3D models. Why is this huge? Genie 3 lets anyone create playable 3D worlds with a sentence. No coding skills needed. It's a massive step for AI-driven gaming, education, and robotics, making virtual worlds more dynamic and accessible. This could redefine how we play and learn in 2025. Hyped for AI-made games? Drop a comment. What world would you create? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.